program on All India Radio. Addressing a press conference here in Shillong today, BJP State President Ernest Mauri said that the Prime Minister in his monthly program has touched on several issues of North-East and besides highlighting the hidden beauty and tradition of the people living in the region. The Prime Minister in his Mann Ki Baat program often talked about different development schemes and also highlights innovative practice and ideas of the people. BJP spokesperson H.M. Shangpliang said Prime Minister Modi in his program had also highlighted about women making baskets and handicraft items out of bamboo and cane in Sintain village in Meghalaya.
Speech of the Honorable Prime Minister, he talked about the development, different scheme, and he has focused more to the poor people.
We have in our state, in the village called Sintain, where women folk, they make baskets, they make handicrafts out of bamboo and cane. This was not known to the world. The Honorable Prime Minister in his 99th episode had a very serious interaction with the people of Sintain village.